Good day, everybody. Walk to today's video. Today's video, my 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. I'm going to replace the headlights with an LED bulb. If you guys own one of these Jeeps, you know that the light output is absolutely terrible. And we're going to see if we can rectify the problem. I don't think I have factory HIDs. We're going to find out. But if I do, then these bulbs I got will not work. See, these are the ones right here, 9012. Supposed to be CAN bus ready. Careful not to touch the LED. But these ones here have the fan coming out the side, so they should fit in the housing better. Now, as a disclaimer, to do this, you don't need to remove your tire and your skirt. But for this video, I am, because also I have to replace some pulleys. So while I'm at it, I'm going to do it on this side. That'll give you a clear view for the video. So you see the door right there. I need to you see, I gotta turn that to open it. Can't see with my big mitts, but I turned it up, straight up. With it straight up, and I can pull it straight out and get that bulb out. So that's the old bulb. This is the new one. How are they lengthwise? Hopefully we can still get them in there. So I got it plugged in. And let's see if we can get this thing back in there and then tightened. So I got it in and I got it tightened, and the fan on the side is nice. So hopefully the cover will go. Oh yeah, cover fits back on too. There's the fog lamp. It looks a little different. I should need to squeeze it and pull it. That's exactly what you gotta do with this one here. Just 2 hands, squeeze these little tabs, and then it pops right out. So in case you're wondering, it does not twist out of the socket. It's all one assembly, as you can see right here. So I just got the bulb in first, and then check the orientation, and then, because that plug is a little tight to get off. All right, with the wheel cranked, as you can see, it is possible to get in there and change them all just by turning the wheel. I don't have the access doors that some of them do, but yeah, that's how it's done. So these are the new LED lights. And with the fog lamps on. Yeah, I like these a million times better so far. And this is how it looked with the old candlelight bulbs. Just very poor light output. Yeah, the other lights were just so yellow that sometimes it's just really hard to see. I really like the whiter light.